Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel and Living. Today, we have a quick and easy recipe for you, chicken biryani made in an electric rice cooker. Let's jump right in. Let's first unbox the rice cooker. I spent £30 to buy this from local Morrison shop. In this quick recipe, we will be using leftover chicken curry which was cooked earlier. You can also cook the chicken in the rice cooker. We'll explore that on some other day. We would be using some spices and biryani masala. Add 1 teaspoon oil, bay leaf, star anise, 3 to 4 cardamom for cloves. Salt for couple of menus. We have added some potatoes as well. Once the rice is 70% cooked, we will add the biryani masala and then the leftover chicken on top. We will close the lid airtight so the steam or dum would spread into the rice. Wait for 15 minutes and serve hot.